there, and welcome to ratio and proportion. So what is ratio and proportion? So ratio is a comparison between two different types of quantities, and a proportion is an equation with a ratio on each side, where you have a number on the left and number on the right, and you have two dots in the middle. That's what ratio and proportion is. But let's just jump in straight to the first question. Let's see how we can do this. So beef must be cooked for 30 minutes for every 1 kilograms. How long would it take to cook 2 kilograms? Let's just write this down, because it's always good to write down an equation. So it takes beef to cook, beef 30 minutes for 1 kilogram. So 1 kilogram piece of beef, it takes 30 minutes to cook. How long will it cook for 2 kilograms? Okay, so now, you know, from 1 to 2, we just double it, don't we? So we're going to do exactly the same thing. So 2 is double of 1 kilogram. We just double 30 minutes, and that will become 60 minutes in total. So these are the differences between two quantities, and that's what we call ratio. Okay, so the answer in this case is going to be 60 minutes for 2 kilograms. So in this case, it will be 1 hour, because 1 hour includes 60 minutes. Let's go on and check the next question. So beef must be cooked for 30 minutes for every 1 kilogram. How long will it take to cook 4 kilograms? So similar question, but in different quantities again. And that's what ratio and proportion is all about. So let's just write this down again. So 30 minutes, always write this down because it just becomes so easy. And now we need to find out how long it will cook for 4 kilograms. Now, to get from 1 kilogram to 4 kilogram, what we're doing here is we're just multiplying by 4. So we'll do exactly the same thing. We multiply by 4, 30 minutes by 4. So let's just work this out. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 3 is 12. So 120 minutes altogether. Now, 120 minutes, how many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. So how many 60-minute proportions will there be in 120 minutes? It will be 2 hours altogether. That will be our answer. Okay? So good luck with the rest of the questions. Do plenty of working out like we're doing now. Just makes it simpler to understand, and it gives you a structure on how to do your working out as well. We'll follow up the rest of these questions in our next class. Good luck.